Hola, bienvenidos a nuestro canal. Aquí está mi familia bonita, mis hijos y mi esposo muy cowboy. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today I will be doing a quick hair updo. This is my signature everyday ponytail. Now, the first thing I do is comb out or brush all of my tangles I have here. That was rough. Okay, so yes, just go ahead and brush out all the tangles out of your hair. Okay, so once that's done, before you start doing that, I would go ahead and turn on your wand, and I already have it preheated. So this is the Nano here. I've had it for a couple years. It's still working. Honestly, when I say I've had it for like 10 years. I got it from my sister. We actually stole it from her. She never asked for it back, so it's mine, I guess. She doesn't ever do her hair anyway, so her bad. Okay, so usually this step here takes me about 5 minutes to do. I go ahead and section my hair out and start rolling my hair on the wand and leave it on there for like 3 to 5 seconds. And just continue to do that until you've reached the end. Okay, so this is my hair. I have already curled it, and it didn't take me but 6 minutes to do. Okay, so once that's finished, go ahead and start grabbing your hair and use a brush. And this is my tangle brush. I got it at Walmart. It's got cute leopard print here. So just go ahead and start brushing your hair back and making your little ponytail. And I am currently sitting on the floor in my living room because I don't have vanity. I used to, but I had to get rid of it. Okay, so once you have all the bumps out, and I think I have one more back here. Yeah. This is where I start using my hair gel, and I mix it with water, just so I can have that slick look, and that way my baby hairs can stay in place. Okay, so once that's finished, you go ahead and get your hair tie and tie your hair. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is my everyday ponytail. It didn't take but 10 minutes to do. Okay, so I went ahead and paired it with some leopard earrings. My son has a football scrimmage day, and I'm representing the leopards. So yeah, that's it. Oh, and I wanted to go ahead and do a quick ASMR video with water. I've always wanted to do this. So let's see if this works. Y'all let me know how it sounds. Or you know what, I'll just watch my own video. For the people that find ASMR satisfying. So here goes nothing. Delicious. See you on my next video. Bye.